Thanks for checking out SpecialtyGearDrives.com. Today we're taking a look at this repair we did on this Flender SEN 400 gearbox. Flenders are heavy-duty workhorses, critical for operations in mining, cement, and power generation. Well, technically there's a lot more, but this video would be a lot longer if I kept going. When a gearbox this important fails, you need a specialist. At SpecialtyGearDrives.com, it's in our name. Our repair begins with a full disassembly and meticulous inspection. We carefully analyze the large helical gears in every surface to find the failure's root cause. The rebuild is done with absolute precision, using high-quality components and precision installation from our Timken certified technicians. We also have an on-site gear manufacturing division that allows us to manufacture gears up to 20 feet in diameter out of any material, any shape, and with the ability to exceed OEM Brinell and Rockwell hardness ratings. This ain't just a repair, y'all, it's a full restoration. The result is a gearbox that looks and performs like new. Trust SpecialtyGearDrives.com for expert rebuilds backed by a 24-month warranty. Get your quote today at SpecialtyGearDrives.com. We also offer 24 to 48-hour emergency rush repair services. Why don't you go ahead and hit us up? SpecialtyGearDrives.com.